Get into a car with value. 2021 Jeep Compass. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 70,000 miles on the odometer. The Compass gives you the latest safety technology, rugged capability, and upscale sophistication, all wrapped up in a compact, sporty SUV. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, fog lamps, heated mirrors, satellite radio, backup camera, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, heated front seat, alarm. Feel safe and secure when you explore your world in the Compass. Take a test drive today.